may inihanda sa inyong lahat.
To the mic, he feels so unlike everybody else, alone in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story.
Isang magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Naway mag-enjoy tayong lahat sa aming Sport Fest 2022.
Never concerned with status, but still even in starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge you because it makes a living from writing raps.
Una-una binabati ko po kayo lahat ng isang maligayang araw para sa mga kabataan ng Tangsa-Uno.
What he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds. The skill of an artist.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. Let's go!
Tayo ang bida. Tayo ang bida.
Hi, hello, mabuhay Tangsa-Uno!
Naway mag-enjoy lamang po ang lahat dahil hindi naman namin magagawa ito kung wala yung suporta nyo. Yun lang, maraming salamat po.
Mas matamis, bawat isa may bahagi. Idolo at nag-aanga, magkasama, kapwa magkakakampi. Simbolo ng isang barkada at kumpiyansa, tropa tayong magkatabi. Ang plataforma sa ating gitna, kung merong panalo sa kwento ng liga, kondo suporta ang dinidikta, wala nang iba pagka tayo ang bida.
Okay, Madlang